Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to backup chat on WhatsApp. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So sometimes you accidentally deleted a message or you really need to look at the deleted message in WhatsApp. I must say right away that on some phones it can be done very simply if you have a notification history. You go to settings, then to notifications, select WhatsApp and you can view the text and the sender in the near future or find an old notification. But most do not have such a function, so go to the WhatsApp, then select settings in the lower right corner and search for chats. Click and select chat backup and then backup now. Then your phone will save all your old chats and you will be able to view messages. This is not the most convenient method of course, but it works. Be sure to watch the entire playlist about WhatsApp on my channel or follow the link in the description. I'm sure you'll learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial make your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.